Are you getting the "can't sign in"? There was an error communicating with Roblox servers, or unknown error message when trying to log into Roblox? This issue can prevent you from accessing your account and playing Roblox games. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Roblox "can't sign in" error in a quick and easy way.
First, open the Start menu. Search for Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Double-click your network adapter. Open Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses in preferred DNS type: 8.8.8.8 in alternate DNS server type: 8.4.4.8. Press OK and close the windows. First, open the Start menu. Click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type ipconfig/release. Press Enter. Type ipconfig. Enter. Type ipconfig flush DNS. Press Enter. Type winsock reset. Press Enter. Type exit, and then press Enter. Restart your PC to apply the changes. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Network and Internet. Open Advanced Network Settings. Open Network Reset. Click on Reset now. Press Yes. Press Close. Restart your PC to apply the changes.